Hey, it's Gold Gas. This series is going to show you how to view the faults memory to see the previous fault codes or error codes that have occurred in this boiler. Press the I and the minus key together and then the faults codes will appear. You've got the last 10 on here and you can scroll through them with the plus and the minus key. If this has helped you out or you enjoy my videos anyway, give me a thumbs up. It does help the videos and how they do in the long run. If you add me on social media, on Instagram or Twitter, then you can find some competitions, promotions and some plumbing disasters as well. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching.